standing here with Shane Metternich of Stoked, who's involved in a skateboard program with the Roosevelt Island Youth Program here at PS217 on Roosevelt Island. Shane, can you tell me what you're doing here, please?
I'm skate mentoring these fine young youths over here. I'm going to teach them independence, confidence, and comfortability on rolling confidently. We're doing the Nike Honor Roll Skateboard Club through Stoked Mentoring, which is a nonprofit out of Brooklyn.
And how often are you going to be here?
We're going to be here 3 days a week at Roosevelt Island. We have a site in the Bronx, we have sites in Manhattan, we have sites all the way down to Flatbush.
And the aim is to teach the kids what?
Teach them how to skateboard, pass on the culture, build their confidence, build their balance, and just generally get them to stay active as young people so they'll become active adults.
Okay, can you tell me something about your organization, Stoked?
Stoked is a nonprofit, and we use action sports culture to benefit underserved communities and underserved youth.
All right, great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.